The LPD extension identifies a lookout plan file containing process visualization and control system configuration data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or troubleshoot these industrial automation project files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the LPD file. I'll reveal it at the end. LPD files are project files for National Instruments, Lookout a process visualization, and control application for industrial automation. They contain SCADA system configurations, including process object definitions, data connections, alarm settings, and operator interface layouts. Lookout LPD files use a proprietary format, storing process object hierarchies with configured parameters, data source connections to PLCs and field devices, alarm threshold definitions, trend log configurations, and HMI display panel layouts for industrial process monitoring. The operating system preferentially attempts to open LPD using Lookout from National Instruments. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows offers limited visibility, so proper use depends on dedicated design software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the LPD file and hit Open with Test Lookout if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this LPD error to appear? First, opening the project. Install National Instruments Lookout and open the LPD file via File, then open Process. Lookout loads the complete SCADA project with all process objects, data connections, and operator interface panels ready for runtime monitoring and control operations. Next, configuring connections. In Lookout, configure data connections to PLCs and field devices by editing driver objects within the LPD project. Set communication parameters including port settings, baud rate, and device addresses. Verify connections by testing data reads from configured instruments. Finally, running the process. Switch Lookout from edit mode to run mode to activate the SCADA system. Process values update in real time from connected instruments. Monitor alarms, trend data, and process status through the configured operator interface panels defined in the LPD project. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.